已經係咯，你哋之前話咧一羹啊嘛，但係其實一羹係唔夠。
但係烏冬同
冇呢個
烏冬一樣，呢個都係。
好貴喎。
唔緊要，你哋都係一條啫，係咪？Very expensive。Thank you for coming to sit down with me and telling me a little bit about it. I really appreciate it because it was all the food last time was so delicious.
Really?
So loved absolutely everything. But takoyaki, am I pronouncing it properly?
Yes, it's a octopus bowl and it's also a Japanese starter as well. And normally we will cook this one, put it in the deep fry machine around 5 minutes, and then when it will done, and we will dry, waiting for it more drier, and then after that we will add some topping, the
These
flag.
flakes,
Yeah,
which I didn't know what they were. I'm trying another one because it's so delicious. It's really like
the flavor is really heavy, or
yeah, it's quite strong.
yeah, it's like a fish in your mouth, and it's really tasty.
Last time I couldn't recognize. I thought maybe it was onion because it was a strong flavor, but I didn't recognize. And now you've said it's fish,
Yes.
and I realize that's exactly what it is.
Because of the sun and drying it, so the taste is really the flavor is also is heavy. Yeah.
What's your favorite food that's on the menu? What's your favorite thing to eat here?
Another one I think is chicken katsu. Do you remember?
I love chicken katsu.
Yes.
Very, very good.
The curry sauce not spicy but also heavy. Yeah.
And the rice here is beautiful. The rice is always
because
perfect.
it's Japanese rice is really expensive if you want to buy here. Yeah. And it's the best rice, I think, because I'm from Asia, and I'm Asian.
And you have, I'm from Gibraltar. We have like arroz, so like a very Spanish rice, which is very different. But Japanese rice is very special.
Yes.
Is it one bite or 2 bites? Am I supposed to eat it in one bite or?
It's all for you.
Or can I have it in 2 bites? Is that okay?
Probably you can.
Okay, good. Even better than last time.
Yeah.
Even nicer. Thank you so much.